Hey everyone, it's me Swara, and today I'm going to share my experience and I'm going to show you that what books I got from a book fest, I would say. It's like, like अगर तुम भी गए होगे तो फिर it's like a box in which we try to put as many as books you can possible. It's like around 1500 I guess, because जब हम गए थे, हम in the sense me and my friends. But anyways, so we went to that book fest, and there were a lot of books. Like, I'll just put a photo here, and like you can see there are rows and rows of books. So there were a lot of options, and it was like tum 1500 rupees bharo and you will get whatever books you can fit in that box. सो माई फ्रेंड्स एंड आई हमने एक ही बॉक्स खरीदा और उसमें हमने हमारे सारे बुक्स रख दिए. 5 बुक्स लिए हैं जो वो बॉक्स में फिट हुए थे, और उन्होंने दो तीन लिए, आई गेस. सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट माई फर्स्ट बुक नाउ. द फर्स्ट बुक आई वांट टू टॉक अबाउट इज द सीक्रेट्स वी शेयर. या, this is by Emma Hanningham, and I saw this book and it was in good condition, right? So the first impression of this book on me was good. That's why I thought of buying this, because the condition was good, and more than reading I pay attention to the covers, because I love books which have very pretty covers, and I was intrigued with the cover this book had. Now what I felt was that from so many days I was like, from the past month I have been reading only series, so that's why now I think I should go for standalones, because then I just get into reading slump when the series is going on and I get bored. So that's why I thought of buying all the standalone books, like whatever books I have right now. So we are also going to rate the covers, because for me cover matter more than anything. Like, of course the storyline matters more, but then the covers are what makes me buy books. Like, I don't know if there are people like me. If you are, then please let me know. But I guess there are people like me who
buy books based on covers.
So we are going to rate this book. So I would rate this 7 on 10, I guess. So this one is the family drama book. Now let me show you the second book. It's a fun book, I would say. Like, it's a shopaholic and sister. Even the name itself is very fun. Like, it's about sisters and shopping, and that's all. I thought that let's give it a try, because the name was good and it's in a readable condition. Though the pages have become a little yellow colored, but I think I would work with it. So now we are going to rate this book's cover. Now I would say, like, it has a lot of shopping, and I love shopping. Okay, it has a lot of shopping things, so maybe I'll rate this one 8.5 out of 10 maybe. This one is also a standalone book, and I think it will be a fun book. It's about Sophie Kinsella, and let me tell you, whatever books I have purchased that day, like whenever I went to the book fest, I have not seen a single book on Book Talk or Bookstagram. I don't know, I guess this might be underrated. If I loved any of the book, I would definitely give a review, because none of these books are on Bookstagram or Book Talk or talked about anywhere. So maybe if I love them and if I feel that they are very underrated, then maybe I'll come up with a review for this. If you want a review, then please let me know, and if you have read these books, then please let me know as well. Now let's move on to A Cornish Summer. It's by Catherine Elliott, and it's also a family drama, I would say. I don't know why I have buyed only family drama that day, but then I think it's pretty interesting and it's in readable condition. So you know why I'm saying that readable condition, because there were a lot of books which were torn and not in very readable condition. But then, yeah, it's like one first wife, one second wife, and one mother-in-law. It's all the family drama. And yeah, I'm pretty excited to read this one as well. This one also has a very pretty cover. And this one I would say 7 on 10, because like it has a cool summer vibe. Now let's move on to the fourth book which I have got, and the author of this book, this is Will Grayson. So John Green is The Fault in Our Star. Yeah, this book, The Fault in Our Star, was everywhere on the Book Talk. I have seen a lot of people talk about The Fault in Our Stars, and I think it has a series or movie adaptation as well. I have not read that book yet. And Will Grayson, so like I told that like कहीं ना कहीं वो ऐसा फटा हुआ था, पेजेस एंड एवरीथिंग. सो दिस यू कैन सी द कवर, इट्स अ लिटिल torn up, but then it, and I'm looking forward to read it. It's about teenage drama. Yeah, it's like two teens who's both the teens name are Will Grayson and Will Grayson, and it is a story based in Chicago. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to read this one also because it has a interesting plot. So maybe I'll rate it a 5 on 10. So now this 4 books I got like around 375. like हमने ऐसा कॉन्ट्री की थी, राइट. सो 1500 रुपीज़ सब फ्रेंड्स ने एक ही बॉक्स लिया था, तो उसमें मुझे 4 बुक्स 375 के कॉन्ट्री में मिले हैं. सो या आई थिंक दैट वॉज अ वेरी स्टील डील बिकॉज लाइक मैं जितने भी बुक्स लेती हूँ मेरी एक बुक 500 या 600 के अराउंड होती है, लेकिन फिर मुझे उनके हाफ प्राइस में 4 बुक्स मिल गए. बट let it be second hand, but it's in readable condition and the stories and plot and everything is nice. So there's no, like, you know, there's no problem reading it even if it's second hand. So not just that, now let me tell you that on that day I went to Crossword as well and I got one book for myself, and this is Sentenced to Murder. I don't know, I found the cover to be so pretty that I just looked at the cover and I was like, I want to buy this book. I just bought it because of its cover. So it's a murder mystery. Like, I guess the author is Sue Minix, and now this one. I love this cover. Okay? I would like give it 9 on 10, 9.5 or 9 on 10. Like, yeah. So now these are the 5 books I got that day, and I think that they may be worth my money, and I think that they might be underrated because the storyline of every book I think is very good. I haven't read them, but the like whatever I researched about them, so I think the storyline is very good. And so yeah, I'm thinking to read these all the books now which I got that day, and of course I think I'll come up with a review as well. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.